Not every edit needs to be generated by a diffusion model. Actions in FLORA handle the deterministic work that requires computational precision. Here are some examples where actions come in handy. You can find actions in the drop-down menu when you double-click anywhere on the empty canvas. Let's say you have this short video that consists of multiple shots. Use the split video action to split every scene into individual video nodes. Set the split mode to scene detection and adjust the sensitivity. Hit the run button and all the split videos will come out as outputs. Take one video and try video to long exposure. Select the blend mode and adjust the settings. It will stack and blend all the extracted frames as if it were a long exposure photography. Video to frame grid will make a context sheet with the extracted frames from the video. Set the number of rows and columns and other values, and you'll get a grid image as the output. Boomerang will loop the video back and forth. You can set the speed of the output. You could also speed up, slow down, or reverse a single video with actions. Add a color filter to a video with Video Color Filter. Choose a color and the amount of grain. Add effects to a video with a video effect. Choose the effect type and set the values. Extract frames for a video by different methods. Set it to scene changes in order to extract a frame from every scene. Animate an image using the Ken Burns effect. Select the camera movement, duration, and easing method. Key out a specific color using the color key action. Select the target color and adjust the tolerance and softness. Use the output for mock-up images. There are also some text-related actions. Concat Text combines multiple text nodes into a single list. Add a prefix or suffix or name headers to each input. Use find and replace to batch operate text edits. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.